Hey, what's going on, everyone? I hope you are doing well. Please stay at home and make money online and wash your hand frequently with sanitizer to avoid coronavirus. Okay, so welcome to my Traffix review. If you are an early marketer to looking a way to earn money online, or if you are an experienced marketer and still struggling to earn some money that you want online, or you just want to earn some extra cash online, then this video is for you. Please stay tuned until this end of this video. I have something special for you. Brothers and sisters, my name is Nagendran Ponnan. You can call me Nagu. I own a digital product company. My company develops and markets digital products such as tools, courses, ebooks. Well, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel and if you are watching this video from YouTube, you just press the red subscribe button just below to this video and don't forget to switch on the notification bell button. So next time I go live or I upload a video, then you will get a notification. Okay, let's go deep into the Traffix review. Okay, cool. Guys, now I am in the Traffix member area section. Let's see more about Traffix. Well, I believe you all already know that content is king, which means the content you have will pull the traffic, the buyer traffic to your website. But it is not true for normal content, but it is true for trending and viral content. Hence, Traffix finds existing trending content from thousands of different sources and posts them in your website and turns it into 100% free traffic that can be used for any purpose. Also, Traffix has an inbuilt referral traffic and lead collection module. The best part of this module is a complete autopilot. You don't need to do anything. Interesting? Well, if you are interested, please stay tuned. I am going into more detail. But before that, I want you to see my bonus page as what I have for you in terms of special gift. So you can simply click the link down below to this video. I have put the link on the video description box. So when you press that link, it will redirect to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to buy Traffix, all you need to do is scroll down and click any of these yellow button, and it will redirect you to the Traffix sales page, so where you can purchase the Traffix. But make sure you have purchased the Traffix before the countdown timer on my bonus page gets hit 0, because when it hit 0, all of my bonuses will be removed, and that's something that I don't want to miss you. I bet you all of these bonuses are unique. You cannot get those bonuses from others. With that said, feel free to shop around and see what other affiliates offers in terms of bonuses for Traffix. And once you realize that my bonuses are good, remember you can always return to my bonus page right here by click the link down below in the description box of this YouTube video. Let's have a glance about the 12 bonuses that I am offering you as a special gift. So these 12 bonuses are split into 2 Most Barry's exclusive bonus and 5 Jono Armstrong's exclusive bonuses, and remaining 5 are mine. Since I am reviewing Most Barry product, he has given me special permission to give his product as bonuses for you. But why I am offering Jono Armstrong bonuses here? Well, because I am a member of his special private Facebook group called Ministry of Freedom, so that I got a special approval from him to use his bonuses too. Let's quickly see the bonus list. So this is the bonus number 1. Affiliates Pro is an automated software that helps you do 3 things: build lists, create commissions, and free traffic. And my second bonus is Done For You Profits. It's a premium collection of over 120 ready to use blogs or websites in 12 lucrative niches. Solves the problem of niche. These 2 bonuses are exclusive bonus which is come from Most Barry and team. And the bonus number 3, it's a hack from Jono to get free traffic from YouTube. And the bonus number 4 is Jono's case study that explains how he got ranked on YouTube in 2020. And this is the bonus number 5. So industry's best reviewer Jono Armstrong explained how to create a review for any digital products. And the bonus number 6 is get the hack from super affiliate Jono Armstrong to know how to grow your Facebook followers quickly. So the bonus number 7, this bonus will give you an idea to make money on Fiverr. So down below are the bonuses that are exclusive for me. You cannot find these bonuses from other affiliates. So the bonus number 8 is coming from me for you as a special gift. This is the one-click Facebook video site builder and monetizer. And this is the bonus number 9. It's secure your WordPress site from hackers. So the bonus number 10, it's trick to get tons of traffic from Pinterest by using images. And the bonus number 11 is again a trick to get laser targeted buyer traffic from Quora. So that my final and last bonus for you as a special gift is, it's also a trick will show you the way to get traffic from Google without doing SEO. Well, you can claim all of these bonuses 100% free of charge and it gets delivered instantly. All you need to do, first of all, the link that I have given down below this video and click any of the yellow buttons of my bonus page. It takes you to the Traffix sales page. Here you can buy Traffix. Now assumes that you bought Traffix via my link. So once you did that, just go to the purchase receipt page of Warrior Plus, that where you have purchased. Actually the purchase receipt page exactly look like this. So from this page, if you click this blue button, you will get all the bonuses that I have mentioned just now instantly. Okay, let's go and have a look at the sales page of Traffix. So this is the sales page of Traffix. The sales page is claiming that new cloud app instantly builds commission engines that get you buyer traffic and sales every day in just 59 seconds or less. No tedious work, works in any niche, and the Most Barry and team is displaying some of the features what Traffix is having, and they are just mentioning you are just 3 simple steps away from automated buyer traffic and sales. That's step 1, you need to log into the Traffix app, and step 2, you just choose your niche, simply enter any keyword and open the traffic floodgates, activate the app, and it will find and turn trending content into floods of free traffic. Okay, so can we ask a question? Okay, it's pretty long. I don't have enough time to go through one by one, so you can read it in your own time. Now I'm going jump into the Traffix member area. So this is the Traffix member area, and before I'm going deep into this member area section, I just want to show you the website which is build using this Traffix. So this is the website I have just built in complete autopilot manner for the trending news in the global right now is coronavirus. So this is the website which is created in complete autopilot, and in that I have just pressed one of the article in very detail. Did you notice this page have opt-in box? So that this is the opt-in box. Enter your email to get amazing gifts by referring your friends. So, and this page is also having that eBay affiliate ad. So this is the advertisement and some of the trending content with video. So these all are created automatically without any manual intervention. That's the power of Traffix. Let's see the member area now. So this is the member area of Traffix. So it has the autoresponder. So when I go to the autoresponder, so you can integrate MailChimp, GetResponse and Albert. So also it has the inbuilt traffic and lead area. So if you go the traffic and lead, I'm just doing this. So that sign up form which you have seen here. So this is the sign up form. So this sign up form you can configure as you like it. So you can like it at any, you can change the text and everything else you can change. And that email and triggers is something interesting. So it will automatically you can set up the thanks for sign up message once that leads is provided his email ID, and that referral triggers also there. Once they have triggered, once they have referred that number of referrals to your website, that whatever gift you want to send, you can send it. So this is the trigger number one. Once that referral is referred, the one referral, this bonus will go. And trigger number two, that two referrals, then this message will go, and so on. You can create n number of triggers for your referral program. And this is the referral dashboard. Is how many referrals so far you have collected. So, and it has some eBay Traffix and YouTube Traffix campaign is there. So these things is already well explained in Moseberry's demo video. You can just go and see that Moseberry demo video for seeing this. So now I just want you to show the pricing of Traffix. So basically that Traffix front end comes with one-time fee. It's a very cheap price as a 19 USD. So one-time fee. So that upsell one, it's providing you the unlimited profits edition for 197 per year or 27 per month. Basically that Traffix front end will provide you to create the 10 campaigns on the license, but this upsell one will provide you n number of campaigns you can create. And upsell 2 is the done for you money machines for 197 USD. So the 20 complete Traffix sites is ready with content which is developed by Moseberry and team. You can utilize it. And the upsell number 3 is 100x conversion booster. So it's a hidden package that ensures your pages convert and generate sales like crazy. So it will include the Facebook pixel and premium SEO optimization and countdown timer and exit pop-up and social proof pop-ups. Everything will be there in this 100x conversion booster package. And upsell 4 is the 1K paydays. So it's the technique you can discover the secret methods to generate multiple 1K paydays via this upsell. So that upsell number 5 is automated affiliate profits. So you can access the Moseberry and Jason Fulton top converting affiliate funnels that make you sales and build your list. So that upsell 6 is the license rights for 77 USD. So hence you can sell Traffix as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. So since I am the affiliate for Traffix, so if you purchase the Traffix via my link, I will get only 50% of commission. But if you purchase this license rights and you can sell the Traffix yourself, you will get the 100% of commissions. And the best part of this is you just concentrate to sell the Traffix product alone. All the support activities will be taken care by Mosbury and team. So I just want to show some of the key benefits you may be interested in getting. So it's a send buyer traffic to any link of your choice by using the Traffix, and you can scale to super affiliate status with very easily and effortlessly. So it works in any niche, so you can use it on any niche, and it's a complete set and forget Traffix builds self-update and traffic sucking money making sites. So it's a cloud based app, so you don't need to have any domain or hosting for that, and it's no extra cost. You will get the free domain also from Mosbury teams. So it's a complete step-by-step training also provided at no extra cost. Alright, so brothers and sisters, this is how it works. Hope my review is very useful. Use Traffix to build a website in less than 59 seconds and earn money as you wished. And buy it via my link and get all of my custom bonuses. If you find this video helpful and if you are watching this video from YouTube, please use the red subscribe button down below this video and remember to switch on the notification bell button so every time I go live or uploaded a new video, you will get a notification. See you next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.